Good evening. This broiler with my feed formulation, this is a feed we actually produce, we formulated. And now could you believe that if I tell you that this feed cost me around 50,000 to produce, and the current price of feed now in the market is 20 to 24,000 naira. But this feed, it cost me around 15,000 to produce. Now, the daily gain weight of every broiler for a good feed is around 65 gram. But since I started making use of this feed, these birds weighs far bigger. It weighs, it has 100 gram every day. And if you watch, this is 2.28 gram, sorry, 2.28 kg. So that means as of yesterday, it was around 2.1. Now today is 2.278. Now as of Saturday, it was around 2 kg. Then as of Thursday, it was around 1.8 kg. So telling you that with this feed, you are good to go. You can produce a very quality and a heavy bird. So if you want the feed and the formulation, just chat me up. I can give you the formulation and teach you how to produce a quality one. This is a bird that we all set practically for this. Thank you.